Hello friends, welcome to Learn Hub channel. Today we are going to discuss motion. What is motion? Motion is the phenomena in which an object changing its position over time. Motion is related the concepts of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed and time. The motion of a body is observed by attaching a frame of reference. The branch of physics describing the motion of object without reference to its cause is kinematics. The branch studying forces and their effect on motion is dynamics. Please watch the above image. In the above image, the car is in motion. The persons in the car are also in motion. Two persons are walking. They are in motion. Coming to distance and displacement. Distance is the path from certain point to another point. The path drawn from A to B is an example for distance. Distance is scalar quantity. SI unit of distance is meters. Coming to displacement. A similar path takes the smallest time to reach from a certain point to a certain point is called displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. SI unit of displacement is meters. Example. This straight line drawn from A to B is an example of displacement. Coming to velocity and speed. Velocity. The distance which travelled in certain time with showing direction is called velocity. Where velocity with direction is equal to displacement by time. Velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. For example, a car is moving towards right and the displacement is 50 kilometers in 1 hour. Then what is the velocity of car? Displacement is 50 kilometers in 10 hours. Velocity is equal to distance by time. So velocity is equal to 50 by 10 is equal to 5 kilometers per hour towards right. Speed. Distance is travelled in certain time is called speed. Where speed is equal to distance by time, speed is a scalar because it don't have direction. For example, in a race, Bolt is running for 15 kilometers in 1 by 2 hour. What is the speed of Bolt? Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to 15 into 2 by 1 is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. Thank you for watching. Bye.